Hi students, I am Shailita welcoming you to the Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course division in the Knowledge Club online. Students, today I have come with an episode in the Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course division. It's not directly related to your syllabus chapter, but you can find questions on these chapters as general knowledge or field of study. Nature and scope of biology for your career and research. These terms will also help you ready for any kind of competitive exam or medical exam. Students, our present program provides the students with updated concepts along with extended exposure to present day areas of the subject. The episodes also aim at highlighting the fundamental principles that are common to animals, plants and microorganisms, as well as highlighting the relationship of biology with other areas of knowledge. Our format of the episodes allows a simple, clear, sequential flow of concepts with through pieces of knowledge of that particular topic. It relates the study of biology to real life through the use of technology. It links the discoveries and innovation in biology to everyday life such as environment, industry, health and agriculture. The episodes focus on understanding and application of scientific principles while ensuring that ample opportunities and scope for learning and appreciate basic concepts continue to be available within its background. Our motives are we promote the understanding of basic principles of biology, encourage learning of emerging knowledge and its relevance to individuals and society. Biology is not only preparation for mbbs, it has various ways, topics, subjects to learn and study for growing your life in the future. Promote rational or scientific attitude towards issues related to population, environment and development. Enhance awareness about environmental issues, problems and their appropriate solutions. Create awareness amongst the learners about diversity in the living organisms and developing respect for other living things. Appreciate that the most complex biological phenomena are built on essentially simple processes. I am creating this episode for the students to get an exposure to know about various branches of biology and their importance in society. I am creating 2 episodes on this topic because biology itself is a vast subject to know and it has various fields to study. Today I have come with second part of the scope in biology. These episodes will help you to flourish your knowledge and skills most for shining in the future with a noble profession. These episodes help you to revise, consolidate and polish your knowledge and skills. Also help you to develop in-depth understanding of the subject, assess and review knowledge. Suggestions contained in these types of episodes have been designed for career opportunities after 12th or after the BSc, MSc or in the research. And also these episodes are very important for gathering knowledge for JEE Medical, NEET, WBCS exam prelim, IIS prelim or other PSC, UPSC exam. Don't skip the lecture. Stay tuned up to the end. So I am going to start today's episode. Let's start. Different branches of life sciences term. Point number 1. Aerobiology. What does that mean? The organisms or their parts present in the air. Number 2. Anesthesiology, causing insensitivity. Point number 3. Apiculture, rearing of bees for commercial production of honey. Point number 4. Agronomy, soil management and production of crops. Point 5. Algology or phycology, it studies on the algae. Point number 6. Andrology, male reproductive organs. Point number 7, archaeology, human antiques through excavation and old monuments. Point number 8, actinology or radiobiology, effect of radiation on organisms. Point number 9, agrobiology, plant life and plant nutrition. 10, anthology or floral biology, means study on the flower. 11, Arbori Culture, cultivation of ornamental trees and shrubs. Arbori Culture is the cultivation, management and study of individual trees, shrubs, vines and other perennial woody plants. The science of arboriculture studies how these plants grow and respond to cultural practices and to their environment. Point number 12, autoecology, ecology of an individual species and its population, including the effect of other organisms and environmental conditions on every stage of its life cycle. 13, angiology, study of blood vascular system including veins and arteries. 14, arthrology, study of joints. 15, agrostology, study of grasses. 16, animal husbandry, raising and management of domesticated animals. 17, biochemistry, chemicals constituting the body and chemical reactions living beings. 18, bioclimatology, climate effects on living things. 19, bioenergetics, use and transformation of energy by living cells. 20, bacteriology, studies on frog. 21, bonsai, the art and hobby of growing dwarf forms of tree and shrubs in pots. 22, biology, bryophytes, study on bryophytes. 23, biometrics or biostatistics, application of statistics for analyzing bacteriological or biological data. 24, bionics, technical applications of mechanisms devised by living nature. Point number 25, biotechnology, utilization of living organisms or of substances obtained from them in industrial processes. 26, breeding, deals with the improvement of organism by selective mating. 27, bioinformatics, systematic development and application of computing systems and computational solution and analyzing data obtained by experimental modeling, database searching and instrumentation to make novel observations about biological processes. 28, biomedical engineering, production of spare parts for man, implants, artificial limbs, heart, lungs, machines, etc. 29, computer simulation, translation of physiological phenomena into graphical and multimedia presentation without involving the actual plants or animals. Point number 30, carcinology, study of crustaceans, means crabs, etc. 31, computational biology, application, development and validation of computational hardware and software solutions for making biological models. 32, chemotaxonomy, taxonomy based on chemicals present in organisms. 33, chirology, communication system for deaf and mute by sign language. 34, coprology or scatology, the fecal matter, the study on fecal matter. 35, cosmology, the study on universe, the application of the biology. 36, craniology, the study on skulls. 37, cryobiology, life at low temperatures. 38, cybernetics, communications and control in organisms as by brain, nervous system, means neurobiology, and endocrine system, endocrinology. 39. Cytogenetics, cytological basis of inheritance. Point number 40. Carcinology, the malignant tissues, tumors, cancers. Cardiology, study of heart. Chondriology, the study of cartilage. Chorology, the study of the geographical distribution of organisms. Nidology, study of colintereses. Conchology, the study of shells. Cytology, the study of acquired character of organisms. 47. The dermatology, the study of skin. 48. Diplomeratology, conjoined twins. 49. Demecology, population in relation to its environment, the population ecology. 50. Demography, the population analysis. 51. The dendrology or xylology, the trees and shrub, the study on trees and shrubs. 52. Dairy technology, the application of the life science for the manufacturing of milk products. 53. Dendrochronology, counting and analysis annual growth rising rings of the trees. 54. Desmology, ligaments. Point number 55. Environmental biology, assessment of environment, finding out of the ways and means for management ready environmental problems and for conservation of biodiversity so as to maintain the balance of nature. 56. Encephalogy, the study on brain. 57. Euthanasia, the mercy killing of patients with a terminal disease. 58. Economic biology, usefulness or harmful effect of organisms and their products. 59. Ethnobotany, relationship between primitive human and plants. 60. Edaphology or podology, life in soils. 61. Enzymology, the study on enzymes. 62. Epidemiology, the occurrence and distribution of disease. 63. Ethology, the species typical of an instinctive behavior of the organisms. 64. Etiology, causes of disease. 65. Exobiology, living organisms in space or at planets other than Earth. 66. Eugenics, the study of improvement of human race through laws of heredity. 67. Euthenics, improvement of modern man through improving environmental condition, better nutrition, education, etc. 68. Euphenics, the improvement of human race by altering gene or surgical and medicinal cure of genetic disease. 69. Endocrinology, the study of endocrine glands and function of hormones. 70. Ethnology, the study of human race. The 71. The forensic science, the science dealing with relations and application of medical facts to legal problems, including use of fingerprints, blood typing, age verification, identification of poisons, etc. Point number 72. Food technology. It deals with the processing and preservation of food. 73. Forestry, the science of developing, cultivating and conserving forest. 74. Genetics, heredity and variations. 75. Gynecology, development of individual race or pedigree. Genetic engineering, genetic manipulations to produce an organism with a new combination of properties. 77. Grotobiotics, germ-free life. 78. Glycobiology, role of sugars in biological processes and stomach. 79. Gastroenterology, intestine and their disease. 80. Gynecology, the study of female reproductive system. 81. Gnathology, masticatory apparatus. 82. Gerontology, the study of aging. 83. Hydroponics, the soilless culture of plants. 84. Histochemistry, the chemical nature of tissues. 85. Hexicology, the study on the ecology. 86. Hypnology, the study on sleep. 87. Hypnotherapy, the treatment through hypnotism. 88. Horticulture, the propagation of plants for fruits and ornamental value. Point number 89. Hematology, the study of blood. 90. Helminthology, the study of parasitic worms. 91. Hepatology, the study of liver. 92. Immunology, natural or acquired resistance to specific disease. 93. Ichnology, branches of paleontology dealing with fossil footprints. 94. Chirology, the nucleus. 95. Karyotaxonomy, taxonomy based on variation in nucleus, chromosomes, their numbers and types. 96. Cardiology, the study of human beauty. 97. Kinesiology, interrelationship of physiology and anatomy with respect to movement. 98. Limnology, the life in freshwater bodies. 99. Lepidopterology, the study of moths and butterflies. Lepidopterology. 100. Lichenology, the study of lichens. 101. Limnology, the study of nails. 102. Lac culture, rearing and management of lac insects for commercial production of lac. 103. Leprology, the leprosy, the study on leprosy. 104. Livestock, keeping animals for our profit. 105. Lymphatology, study on the lymphatic system. Microbiology, the microorganisms. 107. Malacology, the study on molasses. 108. Molecular biology, nature of molecules in the cell and their interactions. 109. Myrmecology, the study of ants. 110. Morphology, the form and structure. 111. The marine biology, the ocean plants and animals and their ecological relationship. 112. Mastology, the study of breast. 113. Malariology, the study on malaria. 114. Melanology, the study on pigments. 115. Miasmology, the air pollutants in relation to human health. 116. Monerology, the study on Monera. 117. Mammalogy, the study of mammals. 118. Meteorology, the weather and its prediction. 119. Microanatomy, the cytology and histology together. 120. Mycology, the study on fungi. 121. Myology, the study of muscles. 112. The medical transcription, interpretation and transcription of dictation from physician healthcare providers regarding patient diagnosis and prognosis, their surgical, radiological and therapeutic processes. 123. The medicine, the science of treating diseases with drugs or curative substances. 124. Nosology, study of classification of diseases. 125. Neontology, the recently evolved forms. 126. Neonatology, the newborns. 127. Nidology, the study of nests of birds. 128. Neurology, the study on nervous system. 129. Nematology, the study of nematodes. 130. Neoteny, retention of larval characters in adult and vice versa. Axolotl larva of Ambrystoma, the tiger salamander. 131. Natural history, the habit and habitats of organisms. 132. Nephrology, the study of kidney, nephrons. 133. Nutrition, the study of the nourishment of human beings or other organisms. 134. Oncology, the study on the tumors. 135. Odontology, the studies on dragon and dinosaurs. 136. Oneirology, the study on dreams. 137. Arbori Culture, cultivation of vegetables. 138. Ontogeny, history of development and growth of an individual. 139. Orthopedics, diagnosis and repair of disorders of locomotory system, the bones, joints, etc. 140. Occupational therapy, a method of treatment for convalescent and the physically handicapped utilizing light work, physical exercise or vocational training. 141. Odontology, the study of teeth and gums. 142. Osteology, the study of bones. 143. Oology, the eggs, particularly those of birds. 144. Oenology, the study on wines. 145. Organic evolution, the sequence of descent of complex organisms from simpler ones. 146. Ornithology, the study of birds. 147. Otorhinolaryngology, the study of ear, nose and throat, ENT. 148. Ophthalmology, the study of eyes. 149. Ophiology or serpentology, the study of snakes. 150. Pharmacy, preparing and compounding medicines and dispensing them according to the prescriptions of medical practitioners. 151. Phrenology, the mental faculties of brain and feelings. 152. Protozoology, the study of protozoans and related organisms. 153. Physiotherapy, the treatment of physical weakness or defects mechanically, that is the massage or exercise. 154. Prawn farming, rearing, transportation and marketing of prawns. 155. Psychology, the branch of knowledge which deals with the human mind, its behavior and mental qualities. 156. Pharmacology, the preparation of drugs and their effects on the organism. 157. Phallinology, the pollen grains and other spores. 158. Phenology, the change in plant or animal communities with season. 159. Physiology, processes and functions associated with life. 160. Psychiatry, science of medical treatment of mental disease. 161. Proctology, the hindgut. 162. Pteridology, the ferns and other pteridophytes. 163. Rhinology, the study of nose and olfactory organs. 164. Reflexology, the reflex actions. 165. Radiology, X-rays and other imaging techniques for medical diagnosis. 166. Serology, serum and antigen-antibody interactions. 167. Sarcology, branch of anatomy dealing with fleshy part of the body. 168. Stomatology, the study of foregut. 169. Scholexology, head of platyhelminthes. 170. Sonology, the study on hearing. 171. Speciology, the study on species. 172. Speleology, the study on caves and their dwellers. 173. Spermology, the seed biology or study on seeds. 174. Splanchnology, the study on body viscera. 175. Systematics or biosystematics, the taxonomy and phylogeny of organisms. 176. Soil science deals with soil, its structure, type and dynamics. 177. Surgery, surgical operations to cure disease or injuries to the body. 178. Silviculture, the cultivation of timber yielding plants. 179. Cytology or dietetics, the food, diet and nutrition. 180. Synecology, ecology of plant communities. 181. Space biology, effects of space on biological entities and protective mechanisms for possible residence in space. 182. Sphygmology, the pulse and arterial pressure. 183. Syndesmology, the study of bony joints and ligaments. 184. Slankology, the study of visceral organs. 185. Tactology, the structural organism of animal's body. 186. Teratology, abnormal embryonic development. 187. Thanatology, the death in all terms. 188. Therology or mammalogy, that means mammals. 189. Trematology, breeding of animals and plants under domestic conditions. 190. Teleology, explanation of phenomenon in terms of needs of organism. 191. Tictology, the obstetrics, care of pregnant women before, after and during childbirth. 192. Torpedology, skates and rays. 193. Toxicology, harmful effects of drug and other substances. 194. Traumatology, the study on wounds. 195. Trichology, the study on hairs. 196. Tripology or trypology, the study on nutrition. 197. Taxonomy, the identification, nomenclature and classification of the organisms. 198. Urology, the structure, function and disorders of urinary tract. 199. Virology, the study of viruses. 200. Venereology, the study and treatment of venereal disease. 201. Vitaminology, the study of structure, action and function of vitamins. 202. Xenology, hosts in relation to life history of parasites. 203. Xylotonomy, study of anatomy of xylem. 204. Zymology, the study on fermentation. 205. Zoogeography, the study on geographical distribution of animals. 206. Zoogeny, origin and development of animals. 207. Zoopathology, disease of animals and their control. 208. zoo technique, science of breeding and domesticating animals. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's important term session and increased your knowledge more on biology field by these more than 200 biology terms. I am coming with another episode on various branches of life science and biology in the next episode that will be help you to flourish your knowledge more. If you like this video, please like, share and comments freely. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you already subscribed, then thanks a lot. After subscribing our channel, please click on the bell button for getting the regular updates. I am coming with another episode very shortly. Till then, goodbye.